Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I'm Brooklyn08 and I collect Pandora, troll beads, and a few ohm beads. This video will feature my design ideas for 2 Trollbeads bracelets featuring beads in the Coral Kit, which is a set of 6 glass beads in red, orange, and peach colors. Let's take a close-up look at the beads. These are the beads in the Coral Kit. They really are lovely. Trollbeads makes beautiful glass beads, and that's what really got me started collecting troll beads. The first bead is called the Coral Wave, and there's that beautiful wave design that goes all around the bead. The next bead is called the Scarlet Armadillo. This particular bead came in a variety of colors, the same pattern. This bead is the peach flower, and there are 3 peach colored flowers around this bead. This bead is called the peach stripe, and those stripes go all the way around. This bead is the Scarlet Bud. This is a fabulous bead. Those bumps are on the outside of the bead. It's a very textured bead. And the last bead in this kit is called Peach Bubbles. And as you can see, there are what look like bubbles all around this bead. And those bubbles are on the inside, so this is a smooth bead. It's not textured like the other one. Okay, so for this, for designing these bracelets, I am also going to use some silver beads from Trollbeads. These are all of them. So let's look at them closely. These silver beads are called flowers. It's a 3-sided bead, and each side has 4 petals. I think this bead is retired now, but you can still find it on the Trollbeads website. Also, I will be using this bead called Lucky Knot, and you can see the oxidation really helps the design to stand out. This is a weighty, solid bead. Very nice. These 2 beads are called Vision of Light. They're very narrow and look good. Whoops. And look good between the glass beads. And finally, these are the Capsule of Life spacers. There are 2 of them here. These are called spacers by Trollbeads. They have silicone inside, which makes it stay in place and hold your beads in place on the bangle. I use these a lot. I like the way this holds the glass bead. All right, so let's get started with the design. I will be using this solid silver bangle. I like to start with a plain silver stopper, which holds everything in place. Right, so let's start with the Capsule of Life. Put that right there. And then the bubbles. And a love knot. And let's see about the bud. And let's see, maybe the stripes. And another Capsule of Life. And a final silver spacer. And here is bracelet number 1. I really do like the way these beads look together. All right, and let's try bracelet number 2, another bangle. And once again, I will begin with the spacer. And this time on the ends, I will use that silver bead, the flower bead, and the flower, peach flower, the Vision of Light, whoopsie, the Vision of Light bead, the Armadillo bead, another Vision of Light bead, the Coral Wave, and you know me, and you know I must have symmetry, so here we are with the flowers bead, and one more stopper, and there is the second bracelet. I like that a lot. And here is the second bracelet. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed seeing this Trollbeads Design Ideas video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.